Is inversion difficult? Let's find it out.
Oh no!
No, absolutely not. Hey everyone, welcome back to Negin Academy. In today's quick lesson, we are going to learn about inversion with the phrase not only but also. Not only but also is used to emphasize two related points. For example, he's talented and he's hardworking. Here we have two related points, talented and hardworking. For example, the order of the sentence is normal. We have the subject he at the beginning of the sentence and then we have the verb is. But let's look at the inverted version with not only but also. We have to say, not only is he talented, but he is also hardworking. What happened here? Excellent. Here you have to notice how is comes before the subject he in the second example. Nice and easy. Let's take a look at an example in a movie.
But that's not fair.
Not only is it fair,
But that's not fair.
not only is it fair,
But that's
Inversion with to be verbs in present and past. By to be I mean am, is, are, was and were. The structure is we have to put not only at the beginning of the sentence and then the to be verb is, are, was or verb and then the subject which is followed maybe by the adjective or a noun and put comma. Then we have to write but, then subject, also, and verb, adjective or noun. Super easy. Let's look at an example. He was intelligent and he was kind. Here we have two related points, intelligent and kind, and the order is normal, subject plus to be verb. We are going to invert this sentence. Put not only at the beginning of the sentence, not only was he intelligent, but he was also kind. Now it's your turn. Drop your answers in the comments below. Thanks guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell for more tips. See you in the next video. Bye!